enforcement holding a community meeting tonight in Pollock Pines 5 days after several kids were hurt after being hit by a car while they were walking to cross the street in a crosswalk. So during that meeting, county officials announced that they have a safety plan aimed at making that area safe for pedestrians going forward. Fox 40's Mason Murrow was at that meeting tonight, tells us what that new plan involves.
5 days now removed from a tragic crash here in Pollock Pines where 5 kids under the age of 6 were hit in a crosswalk. The community is healing right now, but they also have a lot of questions about how this happened in the first place and how they can prevent it from happening again.
All of us want to see change out here. All of us agree we never want to see something like this happen again.
Those changes hashed out between Pollock Pines residents and California Highway Patrol along with El Dorado County Department of Transportation on Monday night.
One thing is not a fix. We need multiple things.
Greg Farron tells Fox 40 his backyard faces the Pony Express Trail near the intersection where all 5 children under the age of 6 were hit by a 21-year-old driver in a crosswalk.
When someone's 5 years old and they're hurt like that and they're crying on the ground, it reaches the depths of your heart that nothing else can.
A tragedy that sadly didn't shock Farron. The former hospital worker says he saw plenty patients in the trauma unit injured in crashes on Pony Express. Farron says he's even had his own run-ins trying to cross the street there.
It's almost like taking your life in your hands crossing Pony Express.
Things like the crosswalk have already been identified as being moved farther to the east.
Brian Mullins with the Department of Transportation told Monday night's crowd the agency is getting ready to start work on a traffic safety project that's 5 years now in the making.
There will be PET-activated flashing LED lights at all of the crosswalks.
It's welcome news for Allison Warren, whose 4-year-old niece Juniper is fighting to recover in the intensive care unit.
The doctor had come in this morning for the first time and used the words when instead of if as talking about her recovery. I get goosebumps just talking about it.
One other suggestion many people here had is to classify that section of Pony Express to a business district so they can reduce the speed limit down to 25 miles an hour. The DOT said that's something that they will discuss internally. That project that they've been talking about for the past 5 years will go up for bid next month in July and potentially could get to work started sometime this fall. Reporting in Pollock Pines, covering local news that matters, I'm Mason Morrow, Fox 40 News.